These mechanical toy videos are trending right now, and creators are making thousands of dollars just by posting this content. Look at this page, 329,000 followers and videos hitting 22 million, 31 million, and 21 million views. The crazy part? These videos are created with completely free AI tools in under 3 minutes. Watch what I just made using this exact method. Let me show you the full process so you can start today. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Mechanical Toy Generator and click on the first result. Open the GPT and click Start the Generator. Within seconds, it will give you 10 different mechanical toy concepts, 10 ready-made viral ideas right in front of you. Pick any number you want. I'm going with number 7. ChatGPT will then provide you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt for that concept. Choose the one that looks most interesting. I'm picking the road roller because it looks incredibly satisfying. Copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google ImageFX. Choose the image option and make sure all your settings are enabled. Paste the prompt and hit enter. In seconds, Google ImageFX generates your first scene in perfect detail. Now, here's the secret to making your video look professional and consistent. Choose the image you like most, click the 3 dots, and select Add to Prompt. Now, copy image prompt 2 from ChatGPT and paste it here. Google ImageFX will generate your second image using the first one as a visual reference. Same style, same structure, same atmosphere. This is what makes both scenes feel like they belong in one cohesive video. Your second image will be ready in seconds. Now let's bring these images to life. Choose the video option from the same panel and select your video settings. Set the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit Generate, and in just seconds, Google ImageFX produces your complete viral mechanical toy video. Ultra-realistic, smooth motion, ready to post immediately. Look how clean and satisfying the final result is. That's it. Millions of views and thousands of followers from AI-generated mechanical toy videos made in under 3 minutes with free tools. The entire process is right here. All you have to do is start. I've created multiple videos using this exact method, and the results are insane. Subscribe to Bulk AI for more tutorials like this, and drop a like if this helped. Let's go viral together.